Hello, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little yarn tassel. You can actually make it any size that you'd like. I'm just going to make a small one today. I have these bookmarks that I'm going to be doing a tutorial for, and I just needed a little one for the bottom portion. But you can use any size yarn, um, to make it any size that you'd like. So what you'll need is your yarn, just a little bit, and some scissors, a yarn needle, and then something to wrap your yarn around. So depending upon what size you want your tassel, like this one here that I have, I wrapped around an old phone case that's stained with highlighter, but I wrapped that around here. If you want something a little bigger, you could wrap around a book or even larger than that. All right, so what you'll have to do to get started, I want you to cut a long piece of yarn, maybe like, I don't know, 8 inches, something like that. We're going to tie that around the top, so you can just set that to the side for now. And then we're going to start wrapping our yarn around our object, whatever object you decided to use. I'm using Karen's Simply Soft yarn in case you are curious, but like I said, it doesn't matter. You can use any yarn you'd like. So you're just going to start wrapping your yarn around, and this will make it as thick or as thin as you'd like it. I don't know how many times I really go around, maybe like 10, 12, something like that. Somewhere between 8 and 12 for about the size that I used. Okay, and then when you're happy with the thickness, now remember this will be doubled because you have it on both sides. You're just going to cut the bottom portion. And we're going to start sliding this off a little bit, but not all the way yet. Just kind of slide it off. And we're going to grab that piece that we cut in the beginning, and we'll tie that around the top. So you want to go through all the loops and make sure you tie it around the top. So I just kind of try to make sure that there's still the hole in the middle here. And you'll tie this string. This looks really awkward to make. It's really not. It's just like not that great looking on camera. And you'll just tie a knot. Right there. Okay, you can even double knot it if you'd like. And then we have the part that we'll hang it with. So from here, just make sure that your tassel makes like a full circle so that you have all the pieces, and then we're going to cut the very bottom. So make sure it's a full circle, and then just cut straight across the bottom. Make sure you get all the loops. So that's what it should be looking like. And now you're going to grab your yarn, and we're going to cut one more piece, probably about, I should have had you do this in the beginning, sorry, but probably about the same, maybe like 8 inches, something like that. And this is the piece that we're going to tie around the top that gives it this little bunchy portion. So maybe like 3/4 of an inch down, you'll just tie this string around. Pull it tight. And then you can wrap it around, go one way and then go the other way with the other strand, and then tie it again to make sure it's nice and tight. And then those pieces will just lie flat with the bottom, so you can cut those if they're a little bit too long and make sure everything's kind of even on the bottom. And then there's your tassel. So for the top, you'll just, if you have like an extra piece up here, you can take your sewing needle, just put it through there, and then just go straight through the top here somewhere and go all the way through that knot and pull your needle down here, and it will pull that piece down, and then you can just cut the bottom if it needs to be cut. But there's your tassel, and then from here you can just tie it onto your project or a window, or your in your car, or whatever you'd like to use it for. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos. I will have the pattern for this arrow bookmark up shortly, probably a day after the tassel, and I have over 100 other patterns and tutorials up. So I hope that you'll find something that's interesting to you. If you'd like to subscribe, I'd love to have you. If you can like this video and comment below, let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear that as well. Also, if you're on socials, I am at Creations Misfit on TikTok and Instagram, and I would love to see you back on my channel. So hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, and have a great day.